We begin this bulletin with some breaking updates from the Apex Court. Supreme Court, which is hearing the petition as far as stray dogs are concerned, have made some observations. Supreme Court there stating so many incidents reported daily, and yet no reply from the state. Supreme Court has slammed the states. Supreme Court also grilling Delhi government over no compliance affidavit. Remember, Supreme Court had modified an order directing that stray dogs should be captured, sterilized, vaccinated before being released back into same areas they were found in, except for dogs that are aggressive. The court had also called for dedicated feeding areas for dogs and had also requested states and union territories to submit their responses on creating a national policy for handling stray dogs. Court there stating your country is being portrayed in bad light internationally, yet no reply. Supreme Court there taking a dim view of delay by states in filing that particular response. In fact, 2 months granted, yet no response. Supreme Court has now sought explanation from all states and union territories as to why there has been no compliance to Supreme Court's orders. We'll go straight across to Nupur, Supreme Court, they're coming very strongly, as far as its observations are concerned. In fact, the Apex Court had requested states and union territories, if I'm not, to submit their response on creating a national policy for handling stray dogs, but states have not really complied.
Yes, Radhika, this is in fact with regards to the order passed by the Supreme Court on August 22, and the Supreme Court had asked all the states across the country and union territories to file their reply as to what they think should be the solution to the ongoing menace of stray dogs on the streets in the country. It has also transferred all the pending cases from the high courts to the top court itself. However, the top court today noted that none of the states have yet filed their compliance affidavits on record. That means it also noted that only three parties, that is state of West Bengal, Telangana and MCD, filed their replies, but they were also not on record as they were filed during the Diwali break. The Supreme Court slammed all the states for this delay, despite being granted 2 months, it noted. Especially the Delhi government, it took a very dim view of the Delhi government, saying that everything is happening in Delhi and still there is no response from the Delhi government. It has asked chief secretaries from all states and union territories of the country to remain personally present in the court on next Monday and explain why was there a delay and why is there no compliance affidavit when it comes to the August 22 order by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has today come down heavily on all states and said that the country is being portrayed in a dim light internationally because of all these incidents. It also noted that the stray dog bites incidents have not gone down. So it has basically asked that what has the state governments done to control and comply with the regulations that were directed by the top court in last hearing.
All right. Thank you, Nupur, for getting us all of those important details.